Now let us check the print quality of this printer by printing nozzle check. You have to go to maintenance and you have, this is the option number first, nozzle check. You have to press OK. You have to load A4 paper and you have to press this exclamation mark and it will start printing the nozzle check. You have to do it 2 or 3 times so that now it will start printing the nozzle check. This may consume some ink as I have cleaned this print head from the inside. Maybe the first or second print may not be so clear, but you have to continuously do it some, as this is the print quality which is very low and I have to do it 2 or 3 times. And it is saying as there are missing lines and I have to head clean the first. I have to first of all head clean this and you have to start this note of exclamation button. Head cleaning is done as the ink which was in the head got washed away during the cleaning process, and since it had no ink left in it, and it will start obtaining the ink from the refill. That's why the missing is missing. That is why the ink printing was missing in it. This may take some minutes, and let me pause it for that time. As it had now completed now it will start printing. There are certain missing alignments in it. I have to do it 2 or 3 times until it will get successfully printing. As you can see now, the printer is completely fine now, and the print quality is also very good in print. As you can see, there are completely lines in it. In this way you will be able to repair your print head. This is the print quality of this printer now, which is very fine. As before it was like this, as you can see, which is completely severe to that of original printing. As you can see here, printing quality is also very good.